Hello and welcome to this video, where we'll create a new MySQL database and test the restore from backup for our MongoDB cluster. We invite you to explore Percona Everest, create different databases with various configurations and settings, and share your experiences on our forum. First, let's establish a new MySQL database. Set the name. I'll opt for a single node setup with default resource allocation. Let's leave backups and point-in-time recovery enabled. We will not include external access and additional database parameters. Let's enable monitoring. Alright, the database is being created, so let's now test restoring from backups. In previous videos, we've created a MongoDB cluster and uploaded test data there. Let's now create a backup. I fast forward through backup creation. Now, in a daring move, I'll open MongoDB Compass connected to our database and do something bad like completely deleting the collection. This will remove all database data. Let's go back to Percona Everest and restore the database from a backup. Select Backup, click Restore. We can see that the database has changed its status to restoring. Now the restore is complete. I open MongoDB Compass and check it out. Let's update the database. All data has been restored, which is great. Let's check our MySQL database, which was created during these few minutes. Mission complete. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.